Hello and welcome. My name is Francis. Today we are going to learn how to make anti-lice hairspray. If you are new on this channel, I'll encourage you to subscribe and then hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you have subscribed already, we thank you so much. When you are making your anti-lice hairspray, these are the chemicals you need: preservative, fragrance, silicone oil, citric acid, Polysorbate, propylene glycol, glycerin, Soursop leaves. I will leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box. When you are making your anti-lice hairspray, you first blend your soursop leaves and then sieve the juice out of it. You can boil it and then you add your glycerin and propylene glycol to it. If you want to add fragrance, you mix your fragrance with polysorbate and then you add it. You can add silicone oil to it. After that, you add your preservative to it and stir very well. Then you add your citric acid to just balance the pH of your hairspray. You are done with your anti-lice hairspray. Let's get started. So we are going to blend our soursop leaf and then use it.
If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
So with the soursop, I will recommend you use the hydrosol of the soursop leaf to make your hairspray for effectiveness. So the number on your screen, you can just reach out to the number for the hydrosol of the soursop. So after blending and sieving the soursop, so this is it now. We are going to add the rest of the ingredients to it, and then we will be done with our anti-lice hairspray. Glycerin, propylene glycol, so like I mentioned, you can use the hydrosol of the soursop leaf. That is very effective. Preservative.
Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 100 cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the products, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group.
Silicone oil. Polysorbate and fragrance.
If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you.
Citric acid. So we are done with our Anti-Lice hair spray. This is how you make the Anti-Lice hair spray. Like I mentioned earlier, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you like the video, kindly give this video a thumbs up for us, share the video with others, and then leave your comments in the comment section. We thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet again.